Hello, friends. Today I am sharing a natural and calming rose tea recipe. Take 250 ml water, add rose petals from 2 fresh edible roses, 4 tulsi leaves, 2 cardamoms, boil on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and add honey or jaggery as per taste. Lemon juice optional. Drink warm. Benefits of rose tea: reduces stress and calms the mind, improves digestion, helps blood circulation, supports immunity, helps relieve mild varicose vein discomfort, refreshing and cooling for the body. This is a herbal drink, not a shot. Drink slowly like tea. Use only edible chemical-free roses. Do not use florist roses. Drink 2-3 times a week, not daily. Drink warm, stay calm, and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Is this